What if you could stop buying one property at a time and start raising capital to build a real estate portfolio at scale? If you're already investing in real estate but want to grow faster, attract investors, and scale deals, this is your next move. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from investor to fund manager and launch your own real estate fund step by step. Hey, it's Frank Nagy. Welcome to my channel where we help financial entrepreneurs grow their business in the financial markets. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. A real estate fund is a pooled investment vehicle where multiple investors contribute capital. As the fund manager, you deploy that capital into real estate deals like multifamily, commercial, or development projects. Instead of using only your money, you're leveraging other people's capital to scale faster. In return, share in the profits. The biggest shift is mindset. You're no longer just finding deals, you're building a business. Your role becomes sourcing deals, managing risk, communication with investors, and making profits. Investors are betting on you, not just the property. Most real estate funds follow a simple structure: fund entity, limited partnership where the investor money goes, the management company, that's you, the operator, and the investors, the limited partners, they're passive participants. In your offering documents, you're going to also define the following: the investment strategy, which could be multifamily, value add, etc., target returns, the hold period, the fee structure, which is the management and performance fees. And this is where the hedge fund consultant and legal guidance is critical. Don't skip it. Hiring experienced hedge fund consultant like Frank Nagy Financial Services will greatly reduce the burden of setting up your real estate fund or offshore broker dealer. A good consultant will make the appropriate introductions with fund administrators, auditors, accountants, banks, and attorneys that will help your hedge fund or real estate fund grow. Capital raising is everything. Start with your network, high-income professionals and existing investors, and don't forget your friends and family. Focus on education and trust. You're not just asking for money, you're offering access to income opportunities. Once capital is lined up, your job is now execution. Source strong deals, underwrite conservatively, manage the assets, and communicate with your investors regularly. Your reputation is built here. One great deal can unlock your next fund. Becoming a fund manager isn't just about real estate, it's about leadership, trust, and scale. If you're ready to stop thinking small and start building a real estate business, this is your path. Hey, if you would like to learn more about Frank Nagy Financial Services and how we can help set up your real estate fund, hedge fund, or offshore broker dealer, click on the links below in the description box.